Hello everybody, my name is Jeff and today I will show you the chess pieces and their function. Chess is a game played between two opponents on opposite sides of the board. To win, you have to checkmate the opponent's king. It may sound easy, but trust me, it's way more complicated than it looks. Before we move on the pieces of the chess, let's first learn the chessboard. A chessboard consists of 64 square spaces. There are columns going up and down, pointing at you and your opponent. It is marked A to H and has horizontal rows from 1 to 8. Now the first piece we're going to discuss is the rook. It is placed in the corners of the board. They can move in any number of vacant spaces both vertically and horizontally. But remember one thing, rooks can jump over one pieces. That's not allowed. Next, we're going to discuss the horse or knight. The horse is placed on B1 and G1 for player 1 and B8 and G8 for player 2. Unlike rooks, knights can jump on any other pieces. In fact, they are the only piece who can do that. They move in an L-shaped pattern. 2 squares horizontally and 1 square vertically, or 2 squares vertically and 1 square horizontally. Keep in mind that knights can only capture a piece when it lands on that piece's square. Next, we have the bishop. The bishops are placed in C1 and F1 for player 1 and C8 and F8 for player 2. They move into any vacant squares diagonally. Like rooks, they can capture any piece that comes their way. Now make way for the queen and king. You only have one queen and one king. The queen is placed in D1 for player 1 and D8 for the other. It's the most powerful piece. It can move in any number of squares going vertically, horizontally, or diagonally, combining the powers of rook and bishop. The king is placed beside the queen, which is E1 for player 1 and E8 for player 2. The king isn't as powerful as the queen. It can only move one square at a time, vertically, horizontally, or diagonally. And it can capture any piece except for the other queen and king, because it cannot go near them. But don't underestimate the king. The king is the most valuable piece in the game. If you lose him, you lose the game. So you must protect the king at all costs. Finally, we have a full row of pawns to protect the other pieces. They take down rows from A2 to H2 for player 1 and A7 to H7 for the other. Pawns move 1 square forward. Pawns can move 2 squares forward for the first move only. Pawns capture 1 square diagonally. And that's it for all the chess pieces. Hope you learned something and hope you enjoyed it.